we're going to do a seafood kebab. It's almost like a seed kebab. So remove the tail along with the vein. You can just pull it back so the dirt will come off. And then the salmon I saved the belly part so I can use it for the kebab mix. I'm putting some chopped lemongrass, some finely chopped ginger, green chilli, let's say less than a gram actually. So if you need more spicy, you can add more. Nothing wrong. I'm putting a bit of onions too. You can put coriander, but I don't have coriander, so I'm just not putting. And now you can add a bit of salt too. If you want a bit of creaminess, or you can use a bit of cheese too here. And then chop it up everything. Okay, so it's finally chopped up. You can see the oil start coming from the salmon. It's more, the glaze is there. That's a natural oil from the salmon. So this is done. Don't chop it up further. It will spoil the whole thing. So the best way to check the seasoning is to cook a small piece or a small bit. Then you can check the salt is enough or not. So just look here, just small bit, almost like a mini kofta kebab. The fish and the prawn has natural protein, so it should bind itself. So once the kofta is ready, you can just top it up with chopped up peppers. That gives a nice color and the crunch too. We can cook it in a pan, touch of oil. The seafood kebab. Top, I'm going to put a touch of butter, so the browning will be nice. Slightly turn the sides so it cooks everywhere. You can see the white spots coming, so that's the protein coagulating, and that's enough. You don't have to cook it more because that will kill the flavor and it will be overdone. I don't want that. So this is it. I'm just going to remove it. Tadka mayonnaise, or curry mayonnaise, what you can call. Alright, the salad which previously made with chilli, beetroot, orange, chaat masala. So just place on the plate. Place the kebab. Okay, so that's it. Okay, time to taste it. So you can see it's fully done, fully cooked. It just fall apart. Wow, I didn't expect this. Nice touch of ginger, amazing. The tadka mayonnaise, the curry mayonnaise just lifted the whole thing. The crunchiness from the chilli. Because we added ginger and lemongrass to it, and when it's cooked with the lemongrass, it's amazing. It's amazing. So you remember, this is salmon, prawn, And if you wanted more binding, you can increase the portion of the prawn what you're putting. Here the salmon is slightly more, but amazing, really amazing. But it need to be made fresh. Don't store it for the second day, but make it in the morning. You can even try it in the night, but don't push it for the next day, because the seafood has to be cooked and eaten fresh. Really great.